Good morning, children. We are learning chapter 3 in geography, mineral and power resources. In the previous session, we discussed about some of the conventional sources of energy. Today, we will talk about some of the important non-conventional sources of energy. Let's begin with solar energy. Being a tropical country, large parts of India receive bright sunshine for most part of the year. This thing makes solar power a huge potential source of energy in India. The solar energy can be used for number of things. For example, for generating electricity, for cooking food, for heating water, for lighting homes and streets, and whatnot. The solar energy is converted into electricity by using photovoltaic technology. In this technology, solar panels are made of photovoltaic cells. These cells trap the sunlight and convert it into electricity. The solar energy is a renewable and pollution free source of energy. The largest solar power plant of India is located at Madhapur near Bhuj in Gujarat, where it is used to sterilize milk cans. Next important non-conventional source of energy is the wind energy. To harness this source of energy, wind turbines are set up at various places. The force of blowing wind rotate the wind turbines and thus electricity is produced. In order to produce a large amount of electricity, a number of wind turbines are set up together at a place. Such type of setup is known as a wind farm. Wind farms are generally located on the places where there is steady movement of strong winds. For example, we have the continuous flow of wind in the coastal areas and in the desert areas. The largest wind farm in India is located in Tamil Nadu, which spreads from Nagarkoil to Madurai. It is the biggest one. Other wind farms in India are located at Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. Next important non-conventional source of energy is the nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is generated from nuclear minerals like uranium and thorium. These minerals, when undergo nuclear fission in nuclear reactors, they produce huge amount of energy which is used to generate electricity. Jharkhand and Aravali's of Rajasthan are the largest producer of uranium in India. Look at the world map. You will see that USA, France, Canada, Russia, Japan, China are the major producers of nuclear energy in the world. In India, nuclear power plants are located at, look at the map carefully, Kota in Rajasthan, Kakrapar in Gujarat, Tarapur in Maharashtra, Kega in Karnataka, Kallapakkam in Tamil Nadu, Kudanpulam in Tamil Nadu, and Narora in Uttar Pradesh. This map work is very important. You must memorize it. We finish today's session here only. We will study remaining non-conventional sources of energy in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.